Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Giraffe 360 Go Cam and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should the enter know whether or not this professional camera system is worth it or not. The Giraffe 360 Go Cam is a streamlined professional camera system for real estate, and its main value proposition is of ease of use and speed, allowing agents to capture a full listing in minutes with a single button operation. Unlike many complex systems, the Go Cam automates the entire process from capturing high quality HDR photos to creating interactive 3D tours and detailed floor plans. This streamlined workflow is highly praised by users who value efficiency and a simple professional result without having to master complex photography and editing skills. A significant pro of the camera is its seamless integration with a cloud-based service that handles all post-processing. Once property is scanned and files are uploaded and processed by AI models, which then deliver all the final marketing assets within 24 hours. This eliminates the need for expensive third-party editors and ensures a consistent, professional-looking output every time. The camera's lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go agents who need a reliable tool for capturing multiple listings quickly. However, the primary drawback of the Giraffe 360 Go Cam is its subscription model. The camera is not a one-time purchase, and users are tied into a monthly or yearly fee to access the processing and delivery of their final assets. While the recurring cost includes the hardware, it can be a significant financial commitment for some businesses. Additionally, while the quality is excellent for the effort, some reviews note that the outputs may not match the granular detail or customization offered by high-end professionally edited photographers or specialized scanning systems. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.